Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new topic and that is counter. So the electric counter used in the electro-pneumatic system have several components. There's a coil and its circuit, a contact, a reset coil, a manual reset or release button, and a display window to show the count. I have a picture here. So this portion has the coil and this side has the reset coil. And in the fluid sim software, you can see the display right here. So counters are basically two types, up counter and down counter. The up counter starts with 0 to a predefined value the user has set. At each upcoming pulse, the count value will increase. And when the count reaches to a preset value, then the internal relay of that counter will get triggered and there will be a output. And on the other hand, the down counter is exactly opposite of the up counter. It starts from a predefined value and counts down to 0. The triggering is just like the up counter. We can reset the counter by two methods. First one is the manually using a button and second one is electrically, like using a limit switch to activate the reset button. So this is the symbol of up counter and down counter. This one is the up counter on the left side and this one is the down counter. You can distinguish between them with seeing this arrow. The up counter has a anti-clockwise rotating arrow and the down counter has a clockwise rotating arrow. I hope you get it. Now here, this is the image of a industrially used counter. See, there is numeric value here. It counts the events. After every event, this value will get increase or in the down counter, it will get decrease. Now let's see in the fluid sim software. So in the fluid sim software, in the electrical part, you can see this is the relay counter. In the software, we don't have any up counter. We only have down counters. So I have to preset a value, then it will count down to 0. Then it will get reset. So let's see the working. I'll give power supply. I will count the value using a push button. So I need a push button. And I have to connect this push button to this A1, A2 coil. I'm also giving supply. Now, to reset, I can either do manually or electrically. First, let's see manually. So I need another push button on the reset coil. Okay, done. Now let's simulate. Before that, let me show you how to change the counter value. Double click on this counter. Then in the component parameter, you can say counter 5. Let's say I'm giving 3. So after 3 event, this will get to 0. So let's simulate. Now it's showing 3. Okay. Now I'm going to push this left push button. See, it became 2. Now I'll push 2 times. See, it became 0. Now to reset this counter, I need to push the right push button. After pushing the right push button, the counter value goes back to 3. Now let's see how to reset this counter electrically. I need to remove this push button and I'm going to give a limit switch. I'm going to identify this counter. Here in the identification level, I'm going to give C1 also as counter 1 and double click on this contact. Limit switch is selected and related object I have to set C1. See, C1 is already here. And okay, now let's simulate. So what will happen is that if I push this left push button 3 times, then automatically this limit switch will be in contact, the counter will get reset, and the value will go back to 3. Let's see that. 1, 2, 3. See, it's again goes back to 3. So that's how you use a counter in electro-pneumatic system. We will also see in detail when solving problems. If you have any confusion with this video, then please write in the comment. And that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.